How to sell crypto on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Trust Wallet. So in order to sell crypto on Trust Wallet, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is go ahead and log in into your Trust Wallet account. Make sure that your account is verified. Only then you can begin with the trading procedure. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface, something like this. Now over here, go ahead and select the buy button. As soon as you click the buy button, select the asset that you wish to sell. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So go ahead and tap the I button from the top right hand side. You'll only be able to see the sell options when you actually have enough coins. In my case, I don't happen to have any coins, so that's why the sell option does not appear. But however, if you tap the buy button, interface will remain the same. Then go ahead and select the asset, enter in the exact amount of crypto that you wish to buy, and next page you need to go ahead and select buy, located right at the bottom. Here you'll be able to see all of the information as how much you'll be receiving as a currency and all sort of details, and that's how you can then confirm the order. As soon as you've done that, you need to go ahead and tap the continue button. Next page, you need to enter in the exact amount and all that. Then you've successfully sold crypto on Trust Wallet. So in that way, you can sell crypto on Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.